Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Monday motivational video. How's your Mondays? How's your weekends going on? Please do let me know in the comment section below. So today I will tell you 5 top tips for effective exam revision. This is a revision time period, I guess. Preparation is almost at the end and revision is on full speed. So I will tell you the 5 top tips with which you can do effective exam revision. The first thing is start early, which almost I tell to every student while starting with the preparation, that when you formulate preparation timetable, do prepare a revision timetable as well. Make sure that you start your revision alongside your preparation so that it's not too late. Revision should go side by side with preparation, so don't wait for the last minute to revise, as it will not help at all. So start early. The second point is that plan your time. So it's pretty much important that when I'm saying start early, that means you will start it with full-fledged preparation, right? So full-fledged planning, as in with timetable, targets, schedule. So you must be clear in your mind that what topics am I going to do, which topics am I going to prioritize, what topics I'm going to start and end. So all these things should be pretty much clear in your mind. That is how you can plan your time as well. The next tip is avoid your phone. The most important tip, as alongside your phone you really can't do study or anything like that. So this is the biggest distraction of today's time, and it will always hamper your revision in all the negative ways possible. So except you're using it for studying, other than that, don't use it for anything else. Avoid your phone as much as you can. That will be the best thing, right? The next tip is practice. So I always tell students that revision is best done when you practice. Practice is the best way of revision, right? Otherwise, how will you do it? Like we say that don't push your knowledge into your head. Actually pull it out. That means recall it. So recalling is best done when you practice, rather than you're pushing it inside your mind and you're not getting it how to recall it or retain your memory. So practice as much as you can from the reference books and scanners. And the last and the most important thing for effective and productive preparation or revision is take breaks. Take adequate breaks while revising, because effectiveness and productiveness is the most essential component of preparation. So the adequate breaks ensure that you are studying in the best possible manner. So take breaks, take adequate breaks, rest well, study in a way that your mind doesn't get tired. Till the time your mind is fresh, you can do anything and everything that you desire for. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. I hope these tips help you for effective revision. Your revision should be bang on at this point of time. All the best from my side. Listen to all the motivation tips, tricks, strategies, and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed to it. And once again, thank you so much. If you are already subscribed to the channel, do leave a comment below that how did you found the video and